Class, this is your third sum with respect to angle bisector. Here the measure is 80 degree. Now 80 degree is less than 90 degree, so it is understood that this will be an acute angle. So here we begin. First you have to make the baseline of the angle, which should not be more than 6 centimeter. I have taken 6, you can take even 5. It's not a big deal. Then keep the protractor's 90-degree tip, that is the point, right on the left hand side extreme end point of the line, and see the black color line is overlapping the pencil line and you cannot see the pencil line. Now 80-degree means acute angle. It has to bend on the on the front side, that is it has to bend towards front. So I will be taking this 80 degree, and now with the help of a scale with the help of a scale I will be making this angle, and you can see my 80 degree measure is made. Now let me write here 80 degree. Then I will be taking the compass. This is the metal tip, as I have stated earlier. Keep it on this point, where both the rays meet, and make two arcs. The first arc will be here on the arm, and the second arc again on the arm. Now increase the span and make one complete arc by keeping or by placing the metal tip on the arm, as you can see over here. Thus, class, we have obtained one arc. Now identify the point where these two arcs meet. See, I have identified it. This is the most important task. If you will misplace this, or you will shift it anywhere to the left or to the right, the entire angle bisector sum will go wrong. Now, where we had kept the metal tip and the protractor, keeping that point in mind and placing the pencil tip, join these two and extend the arm. Now class, once again we have to take the naming part. This time I will be taking bold, B-O-L-D. So I will be writing here B-O-L-D. Now see, it is 80 degree. Unit place number is 0. So you can divide by 2. So if you want to check whether this angle bisector is right or wrong, it's very simple. Place the protractor as we had placed earlier, and what you can see is the line is falling exactly on a 40 degree. You can see this, the line is on 40 degree and the major line is on 80 degree. Thus, it is proved that two different parts are equal. You can see this is 40 degree. Yes or no? So, this angle bisector is correct. Now, naming is done. Let us write the last part. Measure angle BOL is equals to measure angle LOD. Thank you, class.